Welcome back to English Daily Podcast, everyone.
Hi, everyone. It is great to be here again with you all.
Today, we have a very interesting and popular topic.
Oh, really? What are we talking about today, Alex?
We are talking about artificial intelligence, or AI.
Wow, that is a huge topic. Everyone is talking about AI these days.
Yes, exactly. And the big question is, will AI take our jobs in the future?
That is a very good question, Alex. Many people are worried about this.
So, Emma, let's start from the beginning. What is AI in simple words?
Well, AI means smart computer programs. They can learn, write, draw, and think like humans.
Yes. For example, some AI tools can write long essays or translate languages in 2 seconds.
Exactly. And because computers are so fast, people are afraid.
I understand them. For example, my friend is a graphic designer. He is very stressed
Why is he stressed?
because AI can create beautiful pictures in 5 seconds. He says, "Nobody will pay me for my drawings."
I see his point, Alex, but I think he does not need to worry too much.
Really? Why do you think so, Emma?
Because AI is just a tool. A computer does not have real human emotions or creativity. An artist creates art with feelings and personal stories. AI only copies old pictures.
That is a good point. So AI cannot replace real human heart and feelings?
Exactly. Also, AI helps us work faster and easier.
Can you give an example?
Sure, doctors can use AI to read medical tests faster, but the doctor still makes the final decision.
So AI is like a super smart assistant.
Yes, perfectly said. AI is an assistant, not the boss.
But Emma, what about simple jobs, like working in a factory or answering phones?
Well, yes. Some routine jobs will change or disappear. History shows us this happens all the time.
What do you mean by history?
50 years ago, there were no computer programmers or social media managers. Technology creates new jobs.
That is true. So what new jobs will AI create?
We will need people to control AI, fix AI, and teach AI how to be safe and helpful.
So, what should people do today to prepare for the future?
They should learn how to use new technology. Do not be afraid of AI. Learn to use it.
Like learning English. If you learn English and technology, you are ready for the future.
Exactly, Alex. Continuous learning is the most important skill today.
This was a fantastic conversation, Emma. I feel much better about AI now.
I am glad to hear that, Alex. Technology is here to help us, not to destroy us.
Well, dear listeners, that is the end of today's episode.
Thank you for listening to us today. What do you think about AI? Will it take your job?
Please leave a comment below and share your opinions with us in English.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more episodes.
See you next week, everyone. Have a wonderful day.
Goodbye, everyone. Take care.